Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 508SW. Now, this is the GT specification and comes with the 2-litre Blue HDI engine. Now, that gives you 180 horsepower and has the automatic gearbox. But this car boasts metallic paint, 19-inch alloy wheels, you've got a motorised tailgate. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that gives you DAB digital radio, sat-nav, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's got this beautiful panoramic glass roof, and it's full leather interior that has heated function as well as massage function. So let's have a look at the car. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton.